हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ओसीएस बाय रंजन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज टॉपिक होची आज आम 2025 सीपीटी बायोटेक्नोलोजी क्वेश्चन आंसर को डिस्कसन करवा। ठीक अच्छे, देखा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Which one of the following cell organelles is considered as cell within a cell in all eukaryotic system? ऑप्शन ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, ऑप्शन बी क्लोरोप्लास्ट, ऑप्शन सी राइबोसोम, ऑप्शन डी गोल्गी बॉडीज। आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द फ्लूइडिटी ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इंक्रीज विथ। ऑप्शन ए इंक्रीज इन saturated fatty acid on cell membrane, option B increase in phospholipid content of membrane, option C increase in glycolipid content of membrane, option D increase in unsaturated fatty acid on cell membrane। क्वेश्चन 2 राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी, increase in unsaturated fatty acid and on cell membrane। Question 3, in which phase of the cell cycle DNA replication occurs predominantly? Option A G1 phase, option B M phase, option C S phase, option D G2 phase। 3 right answer होची option C, that is S phase। Question 4, microfilament of the cytoskeleton are made up of option A actin, option B tubulin, ऑप्शन सी डेस्मिन, ऑप्शन डी डेंड्रीमर, ऑप्शन ए हूँ राइट आंसर एक्टिन। साइटोस्केलेटन रो माइक्रोफिलामेंटा एक्टिन को लेकिन तैयारी है। क्वेश्चन 5, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेलुलर इवेंट इज नॉट डायरेक्टली एसोसिएटेड विथ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया सहित को सेलुलर इवेंटा डायरेक्टली एसोसिएटेड है न थाए। आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी प्रोटियोलाइसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 6, द मूवमेंट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स विदिन ए न्यूक्लियस इज डिटरमाइंड बाय। प्रोटीन रो मूवमेंट गोटे न्यूक्लियस भितर केमती डिटरमाइन होता है? आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए फ्लोरोसेंस रिकवरी आफ्टर फोटो ब्लीचिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाट इज द न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स? न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स कौन? आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ हिस्टोन, नॉन हिस्टोन एंड डीएनए दैट प्रोवाइड्स ए स्ट्रक्चरल network throughout the nucleus। Question 8, which one of the following biomolecule synthesis is well associated with the endoplasmic reticulum? Option A transmembrane protein, option B phospholipids, option C ribonucleoproteins, option D nucleic acid। Question 8 right answer हम option B phospholipids। Question 9, dash causes chromosome condensation and vesiculation of nuclear envelope during cell cycle? Option A meiotic CDK complex, option B meiotic CAMPS, option C mitotic cyclin, option D proteasome। 9 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए माइटोटिक CDK complexes। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 10, Question 10. The genes that arose through duplication of genes from a common ancestor and encode proteins with the new function in different species is known as. Option A orthologous, option B paralogous, option C homologous, option D heterologous. Answer is option B, that is paralogous. Next 11. Assuming Haddy-Weinberg equilibrium, the genotype frequency of homozygotes will be dash if the frequency of the two allele of the gene being studied are 0.6 and 0.4. आर आंसर मे भी सी हो पारे आपण माने कमेंट सेक्शन ने कहतु कोटा राइट आंसर हम ठीक अच्छे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. In sweet pea, the inheritance of flower color showed digenic complementary gene action. This inheritance will be considered as option A negative epistasis, option B semi-epistasis, option C positive epistasis, option D co-epistasis. 12 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज पॉजिटिव एपिस्टासिस. नेक्स्ट 13. व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ ट्रिप्सिन इन एनिमल सेल कल्चर. एनिमल सेल कल्चर रे प्राइमरी पर्पज कौन ट्रिप्सिन रो. आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज टू डिटैच adherent cell from the surface. 14. Genetic variability can be estimated as. genetic variability टा estimated होता है केमिति. राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी, रेशियो ऑफ जेनेटिक वेरिएंस टू फिनोटाइपिक इनहेरिटेंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 15. इफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन ए स्पेसीज is determined by genic balance, genic balance, then intersex could be. Intersex टा कौन हम. ऑप्शन ए 10 ऑटोजोम प्लस XX, ऑप्शन बी 14 ऑटोजोम प्लस XX, ऑप्शन सी 12 ऑटोजोम प्लस XX, ऑप्शन डी 21 ऑटोजोम प्लस XX. 15 नो राइट आंसर हो ऑप्शन ए 10 ऑटोजोम प्लस XX. 16. In a species A, B and C, phenotype are dominant over their counterpart A, B and C respectively. In a tri-hybrid test cross of that species produced 35 ABC by ABC, 37 ABC by ABC, 8 ABC by ABC, 10 ABC by ABC. The gene order is. gene order टा केमती रहिबो. 16 नो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी, A, कैपिटल A, कैपिटल B, कैपिटल C. 17. Inheritance of blood group in human exhibit. ऑप्शन A multiple allelism, ऑप्शन B polygenic inheritance, ऑप्शन सी मोनोजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस, ऑप्शन डी ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस. 17 नो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ब्लड ग्रुप इन ह्यूमन एक्सिबिट मल्टीपल allelism. 18. The hierarchical organization of taxonomic status of an organism based on evolutionary lineage is known as. Phylogenetics, option D have right answer. 19. In the evolutionary history of human, correct order is. evolutionary history रे human रो correct order होची ऑप्शन डी पेकिंग मैन, हाइडेलबर्ग मैन, नियंदरथल मैन, क्रो-मैग्नन मैन. नेक्स्ट 20. The homozygosity and heterozygosity of a progeny can be determined by option A epistasis, option B pleiotropy, option C test cross, option D back cross. 20 रो आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी टेस्ट क्रॉस. 21. Dash is the most abundant element in the plant system on dry wet basis without any infection. ऑप्शन ए ऑक्सीजन, ऑप्शन बी नाइट्रोजन, ऑप्शन सी हाइड्रोजन, ऑप्शन डी कार्बन। 21 राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी कार्बन। 22 which one of the following bond is common in seed protein and genomic DNA? seed protein और genomic DNA को बॉन्डटा कॉमन थाए। आंसर होची फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड, ऑप्शन डी होची राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट 23 बेस्ड ऑन decrement of isoprene units the descending order of plant terpenoid are as। 23 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर बी ट्राइटरपेन, डाइटरपेन, सिस्क्विटरपेन, मोनोट्रिपेन, हेमिटरपेन। 24 dash is abundant polysaccharide for energy storage in animal, option A amylose, option B amylopectin, option C starch, option D glycogen। 24 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी glycogen। 25 an amino acid that has a secondary amine and disrupt alpha helix formation is, option A proline, option B glycine, option C threonine, option D serine। 25 रो राइट आंसर होची proline। 26 for peptide mass fingerprinting the native protein need to be fragmented using different enzymes and chemicals. The enzyme or chemical and their specific cleavage of polypeptides are mentioned in column A and column B respectively. तो ट्रिप्सिन कलम बी सहित कौटी तार रिलेटेड अच्छी 26 आंसर हम 26 राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए सॉरी that is trypsin related to option B of the column B, C terminal side of arginine and lysine residue. Next 2 आईटा related होची I A सहित C terminal side of hydrophobic amino acids। 3 टा होची thermolysin टा related होची N terminal side of hydrophobic amino acid। Next IV टा hydroxylamine related to option C asparagine glycine bond। 27 carbon dioxide fixation in C3 plant involve following 3 phases। से 3 phases टा कोटा कोटा हबो करेक्ट ऑर्डर तार 27 ना राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी फर्स्ट होची 2I, नेक्स्ट 3I, नेक्स्ट I। 28 how many thymine bases present in the bDNA fragment of 1000 BP with 60% G plus C content। 28 राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर ए 2 into 10 to the power 2। 29 the inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable to NADH, then which one of the following is the most suitable explanation for cytosolic NADH production through glycolysis via terminal oxidation in plant mitochondria। 29 राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी ड्यू टू ऑपरेशन ऑफ मैलेट शटल सिस्टम। 30 both alpha helix and beta sheets proteins are example of alpha helix और beta sheet protein example कहाँ अटंती ऑप्शन बी सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन। 31 oxidation of palmitic acid yields dash number of acetyl coenzyme through dash round of beta oxidation event। 31 राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए 7 and 8। 32 in Michaelis Menten equation the enzyme kinetics curve is always option A linear, option B bell shaped, option C reverse bell shaped, option D hyperbola। 32 रो राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी दैट इज हाइपरबोला। 33 in Michaelis Menten equation the enzyme kinetics curve is always option A linear, option B bell shaped, option D hyperbola। 32 रो राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी दैट इज हाइपरबोला। 34 in Michaelis Menten equation the enzyme kinetics curve is always option A linear, option B bell shaped, option D hyperbola। 34 रो राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी दैट इज हाइपरबोला। 33. CO2 fixation in CAM plants differ from C4 plant by the answer होची option B, that is temporal separation of carbon fixation and release of CO2 to Kelvin cycle. Next 34. In C3 plants, the water potential and osmotic potential of guard cells decrease during daytime led to stomatal opening. This has been facilitated by এটা কাহা দ্বারা হইଥାଏ answer of option C, ATP driven H plus or K plus exchange leading to accumulation of K plus ion in guard cells. 35. What is the net yield of cytosolic ATP from complete oxidation of a glucose molecule via glycolysis and TCA cycle in plant? Option A 38 ATP, option B 36 ATP, option C 32 ATP, option D 30 ATP. 35 ର right answer होची option D 38. 36. Which one of the following serves as a photoprotective agent during photosynthesis? Photoprotective agent भली किए काम करता है. 36 ର right answer होबो option A, that is carotenoid. 37. Cytokinin signal transduction is a multi-step phosphoryl relay system. Sensing of cytokinin occur by its binding, which induce dimerization and autophosphorylation of the acceptor histidine kinase. This phosphorylase system begin with the transfer of the phosphoryl group to dash reduce in the receiver domain. Option A tyrosine, option B histidine, option C aspartic acid, option D phenylalanine. 37 no answer of option B histidine. 38. How long time would be required for glucose molecule to diffuse across a plant cell with length 50 μm? Option A 2.5 seconds, option B 25 seconds, option C 2.5 minutes, option D 25 minutes. 38 ର right answer ହେବ option B 25 seconds. 39. Which one of the following was the oldest cell line established for biologicals? Option A HeLa cell line, option B CHO cell line, option C BHK cell line, option D Vero cell line. 39 ର answer ହେବ option A HeLa cell line. 40. The newly collected specimen which is used to substitute when the original specimen is missing in a herbarium is designated as? Option A isotope, option B lectotype, option C holotype, option D neotype. 40 ର right answer होची option D, that is neotype. 41. Botanical name of mung bean is? Botanical name कौन mung bean रो? 41 ର right answer होची option C Vigna radiata. 42. Largest dicot family is? सबुठार largest dicot family जोटा सेटा कोटा? आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी Asteraceae. मन रखिए. 43. The cDNA clone differ from genomic DNA clone by presence of intron, absence of intron, option C presence of exon, option D absence of exon. 43 ର right answer हम ऑप्शन B absence of introns. ठीक अच्छे. तो जो क्वेश्चन रो आंसर अपन मान को लगे भूल बोली तर ठीक आंसर अपन माने कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करी कहि परिबे. ठीक अच्छे. नेक्स्ट 44. Which one of the following pathways is followed during callus formation from leaf explant? Option A dedifferentiation, option B redifferentiation, option C organogenic differentiation, option D embryogenic differentiation. 44 ର right answer होची option A dedifferentiation. 45. Mosquitoes belong to the family. मस्किटो को फैमिली बिलोंग करे? Maybe option A is the right answer. आपण मैंने comment section में कहतु कोटा अच्छी right answer. 46. Match the algal class mentioned in column 1 with their common name. algal class गुड़ा देइछि तार common name देइछि ताको attach करबा पई देइछि मैच करबा पई. 46 right answer होछि option B. I related to B. Chlorophycia related to option B green algae. Next Rhodophycia related to red algae. Cyanophycia related to blue green algae. Phaeophycia related to brown algae. Next 47. Which one is the correct order of appearance of the organ of human female during anatomical investigation from anterior to posterior direction of the body? anterior ru posterior direction ru कोटा कोडटा correct अटे. 47 नो right answer होबो option B. Adenoids, spleen, thymus, pairs patches. Next 48. Arrange the following event of blood clot formation sequentially. blood clot formation रो correct order कोटा होबो 48 आंसर of option D. First होची option E. Reduction of blood loss by initiation of a vascular system. Next, adhesion and aggregation of platelet on damaged vessel. Next, option D. Prothrombinase formation. Next, conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. Next, conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. मे बी एटा बी है पारे. ठीक अच्छे तो आपण मैंने कमेंट सेक्शन में कहतु आर राइट आंसर कोटा हम. A 50-year-old man presents with impaired cognitive ability and peripheral neuropathy. He is a chronic alcoholic and has not been eating well for several weeks. Under these circumstances, which one of the following vitamin is most likely to be deficient in their patient? Option A biotin, option B cobalamin, option C thiamine, option D calciferol. 49 answer of option C thiamine. Next 50. Cataracts may result from osmotic imbalance in the lens of eye caused by the accumulation of option A sugar alcohol, option B glucose, option C galactose, option D ethanol. 50 रो right answer हो जाए option A sugar alcohol. 51. Gram staining differentiate gram positive and gram negative bacteria species due to. 51 right answer हो जाए option D, that is presence of multiple interconnected layer of peptidoglycan without outer membrane in gram positive species. 52. If the doubling time of a bacterial species is 20 minutes, then by what factor does the cell density increase in 2 hours? Answer of option B 64. 53. A phase capable of either lytic or lysogenic life cycle in host cell is known as virulent phase, temperate phase, both virulent and temperate phase, undetermined phase. 53 answer of option B temperate phase. 54. Rifamycin inhibit binding of amino acyl tRNA. Option B DNA replication, option C initiation of transcription. Post transcriptional modification. 54 right answer होची ऑप्शन सी initiation of transcription. 55 which of the following antibiotics bind to the 30th subunit of the ribosome during translation inhibition? Answer above neomycin. 56 recent and accepted bacterial classification is based on 16S rDNA typing. 57 if 100 nucleotides long mRNA with a stop codon at its end undergoes translation, then how many amino acids present in the polypeptide chain obtained? Answer is option C 33. 58 the part of a brain regulating biological clock is hypothalamus, जोटा कि बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक भली काम करता है. 59 which of the following is not a likely reason for the reduction in CD4T cell number characteristics of AIDS? 59 ର right answer होची option D overproduction of regulatory T cells. Next 60 entry of pathogen into the plant system by overcoming the defensive barrier are systematically encountered and the defensive response is elicited by 60 ର right answer होची option C both MTI and ETI. Next 61 the innate immune response greatly depends on 61 ର right answer होची option D microbial component. 62 which one of the following is used to produce double haploid plant in vitro? 62 ର answer होबो option C microspore culture followed by colchiploidy. 63 which one of the following is the most special characteristics of adaptive immune system? Adaptive immune system ର special characteristics कोटा? Answer is option D clonal expansion of pre-existing antibodies and T cells. 64 how are antibody producing cells stimulated? 64 ର answer ହେବ option A interacting with T helper cell. 65 ର right answer होची option B ferredoxin GOGAT. 66 in a data series the mode and mean value are 14 and 5 respectively. What is the median value of the data set? Answer होची option B 8. 67 which one of the following reagent is used for C-terminal sequencing of polypeptides during protein sequencing? 67 no answer of option D carboxypeptidase. 68 a researcher wants to determine the effect of different doses of a drug on its efficiency in the treatment of lung cancer. Which statistical test would be most appropriate? Option A t-test, option B ANOVA, option C chi-square test, option D regression analysis. 68 ର right answer ହେବ option B ANOVA. 69 which one of the following is used as anti-foaming agent during genomic DNA isolation and purification? 69 ର right answer होची option D isoamyl alcohol. Question 70 what is the square root of variance known as? Option A standard error, option B standard deviation, option C coefficient of variation, option D range. 70 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन 71 which set of gene component are part of heterogeneous nuclear RNA but excluded during translation in eukaryotic system 71 ର ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ ଏକ୍ସନ୍ 5' କ୍ୟାପ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ 3' poly A tail 72 the most plausible explanation in favor of dynamic organization of chromosome in eukaryotes is 72 answer of both A and B. Non-existence of 30 nm fiber across the eukaryote and variation in globular structure of chromosome. Option B presence of irregular folded and 10 nanometer fiber across the organism. 73 DNA replication in E. coli initiate from a consensus sequence and is known as ORI site, ARS site, ORC sequence, ARC sequence. Answer of ORI site. 74 which one of the following repair systems in E. coli is more efficient? 73 ର answer of 74 right answer होची option B mismatch repair system. 75 name the protein or protein complex responsible for release of DNA strand after recombination in E. coli. Answer is option C. Next 76 codon optimization of heterogeneous gene is required prior to transgenesis due to 76 ର right answer आपण माने कमेंट सेक्शन में कहतु 76 ର right answer कोटा हबो 77 tryptophan operon in E. coli is regulated by attenuation मन रखिबे 78 what is pseudogene pseudogene का कह जाए आंसर होची a non functional gene raised by mutation of functional gene. 79 what region of eukaryotic chromosome contains the highest density of genes? 79 ର right answer होची option C euchromatin. Question 80 which type of modification must be made to RNA polymerase 2 to active the pre-initiation complex for the onset of transcription? 80 ର right answer होची option C phosphorylation. 81 codon anticodon interaction occurs by codon anticodon interaction occur कहा द्वारा होता है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स मन रखिए 82 which of the following is not an example of post translational chemical modification of proteins? Answer is option D proteolysis. 83 how is protein synthesis terminated? protein synthesis टा केमिति terminated होता है ऑप्शन ए होची राइट आंसर ए रिलीज फैक्टर recognize that termination codon and enter the A site. 84 what happens if inactivating mutation occur in ATTB sequence of E. coli? Answer is option C मन रखिए 85 how does homologous recombination play a role in replicative transposition? Answer 85 रो हबो मे बी B or C अपन माने कमेंट सेक्शन कहबे 85 रो राइट आंसर कोटा हबो 86 which one of the following pair of the restriction enzyme is isoschizomers? 86 रो राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए XMI and SMA AI ठीक अछि तो ऑफिशियल आंसर किए जाए आसीनी तो जो गुड़ा आपण मन को भूल लागुथिबो से गुड़ा को कमेंट सेक्शन में करेक्ट करी कमेंट करिवे ठीक अछि 87 How many number of targeted DNA fragment will be amplified by using PCR of 20 cycle, where the initial copy number of a template DNA is 25 and the efficiency of thermal cycler is 100%. 87 answer of option B is the right answer. 88. In terms of increased cloning capacity, which one of the following order of cloning vector is correct? Answer of option A, plasmid, cosmid, PSC, BSC, YSC. 89. What is the role of guide RNA in the CRISPR Cas9 gene editing system? 89 answer of option B, to bind Cas9 with the targeted DNA sequence. 90. Which one of the following is coming under the phenomenon of reverse genetics? Reverse genetics phenomenon under a कोगुड़ा जाउची. 90 answer of option A, RNA interference. 91. Bridge amplification is used as a tool in dash platform. Answer is option A, that is Illumina sequencing. 92. NCBI stands for, NCBI ର full form କ'ଣ? Answer ହେଉଛି option B, National Center for Biotechnology Information. 93. Which one of the following is a protein database? 93 answer of UniProt. 94. Dash is used as probe in human DNA profiling studies in forensic science. 94 answer of option C, sorry option B, variable number tandem repeat motifs. 95. The insect resistance genotype Bolgard in cotton was developed by, option B is the right answer, that is Monsanto. 96. Secondary metabolites including alkaloid are produced through, option B, microspore culture. Plant binary vector based agrobacterium transformation depends upon, option A, descent TI vector and VIR help plasmid. 98. In agrosol gel electrophoresis purified genomic DNA sample migrate from, option B hobo right answer, cathode to anode. 99. Industrial production of vinegar through fermentation involves, answer C, that is yeast with acetic acid producing bacteria. 100. Which one of the following is not a component of the aeration and agitation system of fermenter? Answer of option D, that is hygrometer. ठीक अच्छी, तो यहाँ हूँ 2025 CPET बायोटेक्नोलोजी क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन. जदि कौन सी क्वेश्चन आपण को भूल लगे ताले कमेंट सेक्शन में तार राइट आंसर कोटा हम कमेंट करी जनइबे. ठीक अच्छे. जदि अपकमिंग एग्जाम पाई आपण माने प्रिपरेशन करूछंती टेस्ट सीरीज कि स्टडी मटेरियल नबाकू चाहूँगी कि पीजी रो काउंसलिंग पाई जाने काउंसलिंग रो ठीक प्रोसेस सबू फॉलो करने को चाहूँगी ताहले आम सार को कांटेक्ट करि परिबे. ठीक अच्छे. डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक अच्छी टेलीग्राम चैनल और व्हाट्सएप चैनल आपण माने जॉइन हो पारिबे. चैट बॉक्स मध्ये जॉइन हो पारिबे आउ नंबर कांटेक्ट मध्ये करि परिबे. नंबर टी होची 7978405181. ठीक अच्छे. वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ.